Menzo ASANTE KOTOKO one a director of sports, sporting director, and as a football director, fan to page and so na yenye juma and fan for rain. I was a person chapo.
Richard Pepe the fella
Stanley Abaye. Be juma kakra. In fan so be sign a contract anisa. And afe on him pay for a year juma kakra na Stanley. A call a chile okobobo ho ediaba. Question be able to answer that Ben Stanley Menzo. Esanso ebabiem no abehye na dwuma na se ede amakoma se ASANTE KOTOKO wonum eboboko no.
Nice one.
We can reveal it exclusively here on Akoma 87.9 FM on Pepe Suarez channel no so e YouTube. Ane ba bia wo hwe dwuma de we bia se abdapanyi
The original
Stanley Menzo ne itinerary ode ba back no ekura ye e wa ha. Enkoma wadie ekura wa ha.
Nice one.
Metwa ka cho se enra Stanley Menzo oni ASANTE KOTOKO administrative manager edi nkomo. Ghana time around between 5 and 6 p.m. on it.
Wow.
Administrative manager di nkomo.
Wow.
Enra on the board chairman of ASANTE KOTOKO ne oya executive chairman edi nkomo. Metwa ka cho se enra Stanley Menzo oni ASANTE KOTOKO coach Hamza Obin Mohammed edi nkomo.
The original fella man.
Wait to make a video is so Stanley Eddie is uncle.
Pepe Suarez.
I'm the first example. Owura ni nyame adoma on the 14th of July. And the date you say?
And then 10th July.
And then 10th oh.
Yes.
Enti nyame adoma coach on the 14th of July. Yes, but say obe PM over the Accra International Airport.
Wow.
Stanley Menzo ebedru Ghana 14th of July. Se bi bianse sa 14th and papa no eba abepiem ewo kuri mabusiapanyi.
The original fella man.
Se Stanley ebedru Accra on Kumasi straight away tini. Oba spend between 2 and 3 days ewa Accra. 14th no.
Tuesday.
Edano Tuesday day ni mi. Na papa na di na mienu anasa miensa won kran.
Thursday, Friday.
It between 16th and 17th, we expect him to land in Kumasi.
Wow.
Stanley Ebelande ewu Kumasi. Na afei. Ejuma di omadi ewo internet so. Di omadi ewo phone so. Baby adru na busapanyi. They will commence from baby a wonum adru na enioma atwas.
Fantastic.
Abusapanyi sama jambo.
Richard Pepe Suarez the fella man.
Unim sa Stanley Menzo. Owura na makacho se owo some coaches are. Omunya ASANTE KOTOKO coaches. Those coaches were contacted and let me say contracted by ASANTE KOTOKO board na bra mo bae no.
Yeah.
Yeah, omo aye scouting edema omo scouting. No omo scouted the lower ranks of Ghana League, na say Division 1, Division 2. And as scouting a course. About 30 names and ASANTE KOTOKO scouting team, no. They were contracted to do a specific job, no. What would you pay for? Stanley Bar, they will prune down the list from 30 to between 10 and 15. So out of the 30 players scouting report the capture omo. Emu 15 there. ASANTE KOTOKO ebekwa nimu. Ade di ho nkomo ahwe se on secure the services of young but talented players of Japan. The lower ranks of the Ghana Premier League.
Fantastic.
And I say Ghana football divisions in them. And the Ghana will be able to Kofi Tompo. No kwasam sa baller akwadana born last 2 seasons in Japan. Na e was so. Tiam panyini kasa bakwe din fatana. Ya na fatana kono anya nse dwase. Anya dam yase. Obu an to dam onim kwakwa tepo bete kwakwa sisi. So ya de na odi tuma no wase da na oni udi nkomo hunu. Bo hu ana wako pia foforo na wasese wakro man nice what they call. Abja pensa be jambo.
Richard Pepe Suarez the fella man.
KOTOKO contracted coaches. Amomo scouted Division 1, Division 2. Young but talented players. Okay, young na. Don't forget all the talented. In fact, omunya ordinary talent.
Okay.
The idea is that Kofi Tompo 2 seasons ago, no carries academy. Pokun team no one no bo.
Okay.
A division 2. So Kofi Tompo after 2-3 years, obey household name. It's a form on okwa ebi ho.
Fantastic.
Ebra abatamu a ebeba Olympics ama kotoko akofa no. Na Albert esi akwa de ma esuom kwa bibre.
Yes.
And okobo 6 months ma oli. And oba kotoko. The understanding is that and you go for more. Ubenya fantastic talent ni bi e for more.
Nice one.
And just kotoko and top players who kotoko be top players. But there is a certain project me no wadi unkomo so papa yi ya ne din at Stanley Menzo no. Obeye adwuma ama adwuma obeye no esa kotoko etimi ton kwada after 2-3 years e ko Europe e jiska kase sa target no e separate but sa kotoko e de sa nkra no kwa be league ba chomenkasa kotoko makacho se player or exceptional quality ni age ni kura betima bro 25-26 o exceptional quality akotoko e de obeba eno nwa adwuma da ho we de young players are womu ascout omo dada ewo division 1 and 2 num no ena meye ho adwuma ede amawe abuja pensa me jambo
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Asante Kotoko youth team kwada no one more ball last season omo ball last 2 seasons be call loan
Yeah.
Okoyi United nkwa GM say 5 as 6 avoka no Kante basabasa Kotoko number 6 akra no wono so ekobi afei Kotoko striker. That striker, China de biam refindi. The last 2 seasons, or to turn Tranama hono. And sana dua so be gini di Anthony Kwaku dua so be gini di. Enti san kwadani nyina buchapanyi. Stanley Menzo except pre-season asia. He will allow and kwadane call loan last 2 seasons for the big call loan.
Yes.
And your mom ball league, you know. Last season, I'm qualify ever about the second division league, you know. Hamza the boy. Omo any senior team no and the best training ase.
Fantastic.
Or first hand information on the Kotoko youth team.
Yes.
When you dossier of information from the Kotoko youth team head coach Hamza Obeng or the report I'm paying for the same at the mapapa no. Hamza and some maybe or can for Pepe Suarez no. The Okadifa Bushapen, the Okadifa Rafu Stivo no. Coach the person or then Quadano air training because report na coach ni agada ne chese enkwada ne bipa ni manim ya akro betimi start alenki omo adiama some of the teams akwada ne din e de Lawson manu junior na obebo unsa in the latter stage of the season no both senior team na pa then Anthony Kwakudua 14 goals in 9 games the third division league phase and obebo middle league as was share by 4 kan and Kotoko senior team the first game okay go no share.
Yes.
Stanley pursue your first hand information on these players. No do ni ehwe nkwada no nkwada no be bi omo lake de betimi add the account after 6 months obetimi de Anthony Kwakudua akwa abrochi direct no opanyin pursue say Kotoko preseason you know ehwe youth team players no will train with the senior team players. Can say senior team players no bebre time so omo kro.
Yeah.
Ebi mo so coach ne nani be hwe omo kakra a day or 2. Se emfa entem so Kotoko eni omo ebe wiwie. But the junior team ne dey panyi Kotoko junior team no enkwada ne benya opportunity at training with the senior team under the strict supervision and monitoring of coach at the Stanley Menzo. Oh yeah. No, I had the necessary evaluation. Abja pensa me jampo.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Yam fan to dwa e wo kasa fidie kase so se Asante Kotoko players are wo mumum enya na mo bompa ese be terminate om contract no. Ene Kotoko board no ni Menzo plan no mo fire no. Still there will be a gap. Unma de kronja. Say players ni bebrebe agents ready ka ka chom na so omo terminate dia metim do akọ Kenya.
Okay.
Omo terminate dia metim do akọ Tanzania. Omo terminate dia metim do akọ Zimbabwe. Omo terminate metim do akọ ha. salary near $5,000. $4,000. $6,000. A quality Kotoko just 6,000 Ghana cedis. Or just 3,500 or just 4,000 and to a 20 team that.
Nice one.
Koto company for grandpa my fan sanka place in about training. So Abusia dia why not just one person free Kotoko training no crop also a sample training. So I think come on as a agents read di Kotoko enim. Agents read di Kotoko enim.
Yeah.
And boys renya to say ya de midru amenya $5,000. Midru amenya 4 or multiply the BSC kanima $5,000 na man close to be 600 million cedis. And all cities 60,000 Ghana cedis. Akwadano training na Japan on ya de be Stanley Menzo aka so ya de untie de ye pa.
Okay.
Me more exclusive information.
Fantastic.
Players be on motiti be say season ba wie ya Kotoko omo players no within them. No omo nim say ye bo season ni wie a we be ko kwampoku be ko Emmanuel Ntwi be ko ofra Emmanuel Ntwi so on sama training under Stanley Menzo na he no say Emmanuel Ntwi be tuma to aso a once a agency be approach Ntwi ade deal e ma no abja panyin ball control kra ya because wonim no wa pam no but yan ya tra kire ya dwen empam no Ntware contract mu ensan compensate no free player na ka tell bema enkomo na di yan ya tibi enkomo from some pound ka kire some body omfa $30,000 omfa $40,000 abusia $40,000 no mo de ba over 400,000 Ghana cedis so be to bi okroma ne bo no enuru 400,000 Ghana cedis no je never enkotwa contract nim but sa dwen na mpanyifo no bi afa I know say supporters leadership no bebre eka no mo yese ne adane ma nkra ni nyina players nyina metreni ni enhwa omo abusia panyi omo ma bo madwiri mpo so mbeko no me say ball control mo timi control ball no be fa na ase akọ or trappe ball coach and this is a coach of Japan what at the highest level tiki taka ni now control ball na edi wanim 20 meters there but na waka so opel and you are eventually ba be say oh Walid Fuseni wanya de ntwam Emmanuel Ntwi ntwam Kwampoku ntwam me boy ya fan say every sheba for uche ntwam Dauda Saka ntwam Emmanuel Kote abjapanyi omo bonus atro kan wie na ga so atwam a me see 2 days 3 days on me sign contract akọ but ka idea ne say adeni am omo nyina me bona coach ne hwa omo abjapan sama jambo
The original Falaman Pepe
Asante Kotoko start season abra pre-season abra omo name coach Stanley will be the substantive coach of the club.
Wow.
There's an if clause.
Original.
If Kotoko should start the pre-season, commence pre-season, a bra coach and my when a head coach of Kotoko, Stanley, Abeya Jumano as Asante Kotoko head coach because all the qualifications with the Jumano.
Fantastic.
The intention is a coach beba. Makacha as a coach ne banone husi kasam ne nyoma bia enna na mo amana eden. Yesterday I expressed my frustration and at the delay.
Yeah.
Because for me the board has had ample time and opportunity. Nyana no maba ye name me last week and will be the pressure so
The 7th February.
until they've had ample time. Sekotoko on Monday, the 20th day of July 2026, a day after the finals of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Kotoko she pre-season say ni ekwa adakoja ache na ye Stanley Menzo ane Hamza Obey ane ehwama nkwada ne training season no Stanley Menzo ene bebo season adiama Asante Kotoko.
The original Falaman Pepe Suarez.
Asante Kotoko before me start pre-season no ene mi coach ane Stanley ebeye ne adwuma as only the football director of the club.
Okay.
Name so ono be start pre-season na ono be hwem yi players na bia free mu a onya sa adwuma ne wie ema head coach emma we exclusive bako majemu adiama abuja prince am champ
Richard Pepe Suarez the Falaman.
abuja
Yes sir.
Asante Kotoko
Original.
foreign players. Asante Kotoko foreign players.
Pepe Suarez.
Mame mfantu ya se crop ya Asante Kotoko so mo maintain Johnson Morfina Kotoko be born next season with 4 foreign-based players.
Woo.
Samorfin Donzo Kotoko terminated the contract. Kotoko be born next season with 3 foreign players. Says here, Kotoko team no only 1 foreign-based player in Morfin Donzo.
Okay.
And the logical reasoning, if it takes 2 boys an hour to weed a plot of land, how many hours will it take 6 boys to read the same plot of land? Logical reasoning. Me say Kotoko ever 1 foreign-based players is here. So I'm maintaining now. I'm the 4 foreign-based players and I'm born next season. Okay. So I'm maintaining the 3. I just got to better 3 foreign-based players and I'm conclude sa discussion.
Pepe Suarez.
Stanley Menzo and Comodia one got company for no. One of decided to ever call in for 4 foreign-based players, including Donzo if he stays, or without Donzo, Kotoko will go with 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kotoko a top-notch foreign goalkeeper. A top-notch foreign goalkeeper. Goalkeeper with him go on da from African continent.
Okay.
Goalkeeper no so free. West Africa ha mane nyonwa. Asante Kotoko a top-notch striker. An Imbela type of a striker.
Yes.
Omo pe a Mukwala type of a striker. Mukwala type of a striker. Sonye Yakoba type of a striker. Kotoko an established striker from the African continent. Omo rest assured say since Obama between 15 and 20 goals. Kotoko pebi.
Nice.
And omo scouting team omo de foreign players abroad asasia omo 18 komo. So 1 goalkeeper, 1 striker, 1 centre back. Kotoko centre back.
Wow.
Sir menu be di Uganda centre back no komo. The 22-year-old.
Yeah.
Kotoko top-notch centre back. Centre back of Japan.
Wow.
Omunya player or creative midfielder.
Yes.
So kai Fabio Gama dos Santos no bono.
The Brazilian.
Kotoko enya a typical number 10. The okerase ball. The okra ball, the command ball. The provide assist. Kotoko will go in for a typical number 10. Abeka omo a setup no for the season of Japan.
The fella man.
3 or 4 based foreign players, no. 87.9. Mami child, yes, Kotoko enya omo targets na wo outside Africa, outside Ghana, no. So we top centre back now. Also, Chroma, omo centre back na money down, so no. Omo nyina akọ.
Yes.
Because when you say centre back no open on top centre back be an age no e was soro e Ghana ha bi.
Nice one.
Kotoko a top notch goalkeeper from the African continent. Kotoko and top goalkeeper of Ghana ha. They will not add any goalkeeper who free her because or Aziz Arunadari or Benjamin Chum.
Yeah.
Fatau Echo loan. Many can say Fatau no. O pushy contract termination. We want terminating na. FC Asante Gold 04 Boas be fa kwada no. No mo se ma me nkabam de maka. Enti Fatau no ebetima wuram ewo.
The original fella.
So Kotoko top goalkeeper free African continent ne ba say kima. Omo top player a goalkeeper o hebi.
Okay.
Abusuya sa Asante Kotoko a top notch striker. Kotoko Dogo Yakubu ombe jana manaka. Sakwa mpoku kompa abete kwada dana Asante Kotoko di obe ni say obeto young but talented striker from the lower divisions, and naba beka the top notch striker od naba okay it's a season na Mbela on Kotoko Mbela beto Samobuati Okucha Samobuati Kotoko fan from Future Stars.
Yes.
Samobuati no obo na ye pa Mbela ba na Mbela de competition ko gina ba bia just Mbela ni ora abebo bi se Kotoko nya sa striker ni bia on san ha no ho ewo Rudolph ɔnha ne ho ɛwɔ kwadwa ntwideɛ no so agyase but wɔanya hɔ deɛ ɔbɛfa yɛha obi a ɔyɛ top notch saa de naba
Mambisa.
asɛ but ɔmbɛfa bi ha de aba
Nice one.
enti wei yɛ asante kɔtɔkɔ exclusive sɛ mutapa yi
Fantastic.
ɛna yɛbiebie so de ama wo no has deɛ no wɔ ha berɛ no kɔ ne boja kapo no by Monday has bɛtumi akɔmfami ne boja kapo
Wow.
supporters ne mpere so has folk NCC for na ka kyerɛ mpanyimfo no sɛ na mo kora no nsɛm kɔfa broni ba a ɛkɔ abɛfa so akɔ na ayɛ asɛm ebi ne yɛde agyina court ebi de yɛgyina FIFA yi enti ɛbɛyɛ anka yɛmfa yɛ kuromafo no deɛ yɛtim ne ɔmo kaa na ɔmo ate aseɛ sɛ yɛbɛtua no kakrakra yɛ ɔmo ntaa mfeɛ nkɔ FIFA enti ɛnka bɛyɛ nkɔmo ntwa so but has mpanyimfo baabi a nkɔmmɔdie da kɔdu nam sɛ panyi ɔmo awura buru no mu enti ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo fa owura no ndede ne boja kapo and by Monday phobia ebitumi afa ne boja kapo abrante di ade Aziz a ɔno yɛ left back ɛde ma Sodro All Blacks biru Sodro no ɔmo ɛne has folk agreement has almost been found sɛ akwadaa no ebesi aka de ama the Continental Club Masters abusua ɛbrɛ no kɔ papapapapa